Hello, this is Alan. I'm going to show you how I use the Black Diamond Trader Indicator package to find high probability trade setups. Everything's the same as in the ebook with the exception of the Keltner channel, which I've just dropped on here. I like the Keltner channel rather than the Bollinger Bands or the moving average envelopes because they take in to account the average true range. So regardless of the volatility in the market, that's accounted for with the Keltner channels. The way I have the Keltner channel set up is a 5-period Keltner channel using or calculated using the close of the bar and 1.5 ATRs displaced both to the upside and downside of the midline. I've shifted the Keltner channels over one bar so that the past price action, past bar's price calculation is moved over to the current bar. So let me show you how I select these trade setups. What I look for is total agreement in the indicators, the U.S. market sentiment, the trend line, and the trend strength. Here we see everything's green, and I look for, when everything's bullish, I look for the price to cross below the lower band. And here we see it crosses at 900.25. Okay, after that cross, we see that the indicators change. Instead of going up, they're actually they turn bearish. So as soon as that happens, and since the trend strength is below 25, I set my profit target at the upper band of the Keltner channel. So I would have gotten in here at 900.25 and gotten out at 901 or 902. 901.95 is the upper band. So I would have gotten out at 902. So I would have taken a profitable trade and gotten out of the market as soon as things turned against me. And you can see here that was probably a decent trade. Here again, we see the same type of thing, kind of a choppy market here, but everything's in agreement. So I could have gotten in here again at, looks like the lower band is 903.25, and I would have gotten out again since the trend line or trend strength identifier is not over 25. I would have gotten out as soon as it crossed at 906.25, so another profitable trade. Now you might be thinking these are cherry picked. They're not. I'm kind of looking for some examples. If the indicators don't line up like here, I do not take the trades. I just don't think it's worth the risk. So I'm looking for the highest probability trade setups, and in order to find those, I have to see a point in time where everything is the same color. So let me see if I can find another example here. Oh, here's one right here. Looks like everything is bearish. This is the beginning of the day. The price opens right around the upper band. We would have gotten in. We could have gotten in right away. The price right there at the upper band is 908.5, and we would have stayed in this trend and followed it all the way down because trend strength identifier is above 25. So I would have followed this all the way down to with the trailing stops because this trend strength is showing a strong trend. I would have stayed in until this Black Diamond Trader support and resistance stop got us out at 893.25. So we would have gotten in here at 908 and gotten out at 893. So a really profitable trade. That's the way I trade the Black Diamond Trader. The Keltner channels are nothing special. They're just a leading indicator of price action based on agreement between all of the indicators here. You can trade when these indicators don't agree, but they're higher risk trades, and frankly we just don't take them because we don't like to risk our capital. We trade professionally, and we only look for the highest probability setups. We hope this helps, and if you have any other ideas or would like to share with us how you're trading the Black Diamond Trader Indicator package, we'd sure love to hear from you. Thank you so much. You take care. Bye.